from the backward classes, he had made this constitution that reservation should be included in our constitution, because he was also not able to study in the school because of the untouchability. For the same, he thought that their people should not face the same. That's why he made this constitution. But nowadays we have seen that the people of the backward classes have the post on the IS and IPS, but still their children are taking the reservations benefits. But I think, or I believe that instead of this, our government should have give the reservation on the basis of the economic base or the poverty line basis. The people who are backward in the poverty, like people are also backward in the general classes, because they don't have that much poverty that they could make their children to study in the schools. But still, because of the reservation, they are not able to get the position. But the students whose father or mother is in the IS and IPS position, and they are from the STSC, they get the 70% or 80%, they get the seats. But the students who are from general categories, but their families are backward, but still they do the hard work, but they won't get the percentage till 90, but they are rejected. But instead of this, I believe on their capability, on their basis of their intelligence, their brain, our government should give their reservation, not in the just to make yeah, this backward classes should get. I agree. In the previously, it have been given so many suppressed by the general categories to the backward classes, but now it has seen that now it has not that much. I agree, somewhere it has been done still, but I'm not saying to in excluding them. That means I'm not saying to making them out of this reservation, but I'm saying to include them also who are poverty or economically backward.
But merit based selection can also help them to represent themselves. Like if we taken an example, there are two persons. A person is from general category and another person is from the OBC category. Both were equally economically stable, but a person who is from the general category is scoring 95% for the medical seat, but another person who is from OBC category is scoring 75%. The person who is scoring 75% is still getting the seat for the medical, but the person who is scoring 95%, and both were equally economically stable, still he is not getting the seat. So I think that reservation must be here, but merit based selection can also ensure people to represent themselves in the government job and educational sectors. I'm agree with just number 20.
I want to add another point on that. That 60% people living in our rural areas and 40% are in urban areas. Is the distribution is clearly measured, and there are many cases that the rural areas that are not been constituted with the education that provoked by the normal election bodies. That many of the election bodies use the propaganda for the casteism, and many of the cases that they have been provoking their lower minority, that they have raised their voice for the injustice, and so that there are many known as dangas and other areas that been mentioned in that constitution, that it is not for the it is right for the raise in our voice, but is not for the damage in other societies. So I have to believe that it will also regain the power for that political parties, that it should not be the identical cases that for the casteism, and there are many more situations. For it means that it should be an equal part.
I'm